The spirit of Xterra is one of the purest and most uplifting in all of sports. Everyone in the race, no matter their division or pace, is striving to test personal limits. And the shared struggle generates a camaraderie that is truly unique. To witness an Xterra is to be inspired. But make no mistake, the events are grueling. They can be brutal, painful, requiring racers to persevere against the elements, the obstacles, and the protestations of one's own body. And the desire for competition and self-improvement is never quenched. Reaching the finish line is an achievement to be celebrated, leaving athletes overwhelmed and often overjoyed. And then, once they've had a chance to recover, ready to plot their next off-road racing adventure.